Oh shit. Uy! What is it, guys? Ngayon ay magkalaro tayo sa Roblox ng
Honest to goodness.
natin dito. Off. You need flashlight. So kailangan mabilis ka po dito. So kasama ko po yung kapatid ko ngayon. Hello, hello. Kabahan ako. Dito. Tara dito. Ay, patay. Uy, takay! Ang bilis naman nun. Tigtas mo ako ya. Hindi ka nga kita mahanap eh. Ikaw nga, wala ko. Uy, ito, hindi ko naligtas. Wait lang, uy. Hey, help me. I'm gonna die. Hey, come on. Hanip na yan. Hindi ko niligtas. I'm dead. So, isa pa tayo syempre. Kasi manunod pa tayo. So, let's go. I'm back. Start. Oh. Tik kasi itong Tony Stark na patay. Patay po tayo. Patay po tayo. Gagawin ko. Takbo. Ay. Dito ako, pari. So, nahinay siya. Let's go. Let's back. Uy. Oh, shit. Tulong! Uy!
Is this cuteness overload? This has to be cuteness overload. It looks like someone has a chronic case of cuteness overload. Cuteness overload! Is this cuteness overload? This has to be cuteness overload. Well, it looks like someone has a chronic case of cuteness overload. Cuteness overload! Is this cuteness overload? This has to be cuteness overload.
Yep, namatay tayo. Buti na lang. Help, ang bobo ng kampi ko. Wala na. Yep, so yan kung may nakasurvey ba. Ito pa. Meron pa. Bilisan mo. Uy, patay. Ay, nako. Wala na. Mamatay din naman yun. Yup. We're dead. Oh. So, meron tayo 131. Ewan ko anong tawag dyan. Points. Ilan yan? Gagalangan pa natin. So, start na tayo. Let's just do this. Okay. Uy!
Boy, mine was so freaking sick.
Kung masanay pala ako dito sa ganitong POV.
Fortnite.
Let it go. Let it go. I'll put the butter on him. The dog with the butter. I'll put the butter on him. Let it go.
Sorry sa inyo. Ay, naku. Guys.
Boy, mine was so freaking sick.
Let it go.
Uy, tulungan mo ako. Mamatay din to. Wala yan. Ay, patay siya. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Let's go.
You're too slow. You're too slow. You're too slow. You're too slow.
Disappointed!
Sorry
You're
ate.
too
Help. Ace pa you.
You're too slow. You're too slow. You're
I am this spy.
Yes. Wala na. Dead na kami.
I am this
Wawa
spy.
naman si Bacon. Upgrade din natin yung skill natin. Ate kasi matalo ka rin eh.
I am this spy.
Sigo-sigo ka pa dyan.
There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do.
Biling lang tayo guys.